Take a deep breath with me. Right now, somewhere, someone is thinking about you. Maybe they are silent. Maybe they've pulled away. Maybe the connection feels unfinished. But energy doesn't lie. Tonight, you are activating a frequency that their soul cannot ignore. By the end of this meditation, you will become so energetically magnetic that their heart will feel the absence of you. Their soul will ache to be near you again. Before we begin, type this in the comments to claim this energy. I am unforgettable. Their soul is drawn back to me. Now close your eyes and let's begin. Take a slow breath in through your nose and release it gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in calm. Breathe out tension. With every breath, your body relaxes deeper. Your shoulders soften. Your jaw loosens. Your heart opens. And as you sink deeper into this moment, imagine a soft golden light surrounding you. This light is your energy, your presence, your essence. This is the same energy that once touched their soul. And tonight, that energy is becoming stronger, warmer, irresistible. You don't need to chase. You don't need to beg. You don't need to force love. Because the truth is, when someone truly connects with their energy, it never leaves them. Your laughter, your presence, your warmth, your spirit, your soul left an imprint. And whether they admit it or not, a part of them remembers you. A part of them feels you. A part of them misses you. And tonight, that feeling grows stronger. Let these words sink into your subconscious. Repeat them quietly in your mind or whisper them out loud. I am deeply desired. My energy is unforgettable. They feel my absence deeply. My presence lives in their heart. They think about me more and more each day. Their soul longs to reconnect with mine. They feel drawn back to me naturally. The silence between us is ending. My energy calls them back effortlessly. Love flows back to me now. Take a deep breath and feel these words becoming truth. Now imagine your special person for a moment, not in pain, but in realization. They are remembering you, your smile, your conversations, your energy. They begin to feel something growing inside of them, a quiet ache, an awareness, a pull. They start wondering, why can't I stop thinking about them? Why do I feel like something is missing? Why do I suddenly want to reach out? That feeling is your energy touching their soul again, not through force, but through alignment. Because when your energy rises, their heart feels the shift. And slowly, the silence begins to break. Now picture a golden thread connecting your heart to the universe. This thread carries your intention, your warmth, your love, and the universe responds instantly. The right words are forming. The right moment is approaching. The right message is on its way. You are no longer waiting. You are becoming magnetic. They feel it. Their soul feels it. And the path back to you begins to open. Take another deep breath and place your hand over your heart and repeat, "What is meant for me is returning to me now." Again, what is meant for me is returning to me now. One more time. What is meant for me is returning to me now. Feel the certainty in those words because your energy has shifted, and energy always moves reality. Before you leave this meditation, seal this energy by typing this affirmation in the comments. They feel my energy and return to me now. When you claim it, you strengthen the intention and you send the signal to the universe that you are ready. And if this meditation resonated with you and you want to manifest them back even faster, I created deeper manifestation activations just for you. Just visit joybyjanell.com. There you will find powerful tools and guided practices designed to accelerate reunion, communication, and emotional reconnection. Your next level of manifestation is waiting for you. Take one final deep breath. Feel gratitude. Feel peace. Feel certainty. What is meant for you cannot miss you. And tonight, your energy has already begun the shift.